Food machine. Singapore street food. Ooh. I love Singapore street food. They better smile after every bite. They don't always show the girl. I actually thought that it was her channel, but maybe it's like her husband or her friend or something. But yeah, she makes the video better. They don't always show her though. It's her kidnapper. Oh god. No. Oh yeah, join the Twitter community if you want. Every street food place, they go get crepes. Are Cheddar and Monkey gonna be able to play with one another after the move? Yeah, of course they are. Why wouldn't they? Weird mold bread. Dip it in some milk and some Cheeto dust. Yo, Raw Lido, thanks for the raid. Did they just cough after eating it? Okay, no rating, I guess. Chocolate powder. I don't know if I would drink this hot chocolate from a place like this. It could be delicious though. Yo, Crusty Dingus, thanks for 16 months. Just like shut it. Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh, but you get the rainbow sprinkles! Okay, I'm in. I'll try it, actually. Why is there more on the top, though? I don't know. Yo, Colin, thanks for the Prime, and Panda, thanks for 9 months. It's got a little flower. No hate, thanks for 43 months. Looks like dirt, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This looks very whatever, I guess. Prada onion? What? What was? Egg on Prada.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah?
I really like that kind of bread, or I don't know what it's called. The like thin, flaky bread. It's all oily and shit. It looks so good. Yo, Trip, thanks for 10 months. That's a napkin, bro? No, it's not. What? Diseased bread, laminated. What? Oh, what? What? Just slapping that shit. What do you just take out of the egg? I guess a piece of the shell, probably? I fucking curb stomp that shit. Oh my god. Yo, Sack Turkey, thanks for the 5 gifted. Wait, I'm at 5k sub points. God damn. 5k sub points and 1 million YouTube subs today? That's insane. Oh my god! Yo! Well, thank you. Thank you, Dolan, for 6 months of Prime. Hope Disneyland was fun. Appreciate it. Stuffed pancake. Spreading his egg cheeks, bro. I really do read the most degen shit in chat, don't I? It's just hard not to, bro. They like stand out so much. Yo, Brewski! Tier 3, 31 months, thank you. Is this rust? Yes. Look, I hate when they crack the egg and the yolk fucking break. Ah! Oh, I thought they were doing more runny yolks. God damn it! Rumen, thank you for the 11 months. What is that? Bacon bits? Onion? Some red onion? Pork. I mean, bacon's pork. Now he's making a crunch wrap. Why does he beat them up like that? I guess to fluff it, maybe? He's spanking the food. Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, I bet this smells so fucking amazing. Looks delicious. Holy fuck, that is big. He forgot. Yeah, he didn't spank that one. What the hell? That one doesn't get the love. Oh, wait, all that is $5? Damn. That's a pretty good deal. It really doesn't look bad. Looks good. But why get all that food for $5 when you can get 1% of a league skin instead? Yeah, I was actually thinking that as well, and I feel like everyone else should also have been thinking of that. Yeah, this guy is actually wearing gloves. I would eat this. This looks good. The rice looks delicious. The egg's a little bit overcooked. That's okay. No toxic, thanks for the prime. See his hand shaking at how much he's craving it. I think he probably has shaky hands. Oh, that looks good. Omelette sandwich. Emmy's still streaming. Well, I've only been live for 5 hours. I went live pretty late today. I think like around 6, right? Got toast bread. It's a mushroom omelet. That's a lot of oil! Huh. No, it's not. Looks like a lot to me. I had to follow tell y'all are germophobic as hell. Yeah, you fucking germaphobes, stop being germophobic. Okay, that egg looks fucking demolished. Damn, looks fire. The only person to think it looks like a shoe so far. I mean, I'm sure he's gonna do more, but please, is that the sandwich? What? I'm sure it's delicious. Chicken roti. Wait, I thought this was omelet sam. I don't know what this is. Yeah, where's the chick? Oh, there's the chicken. Very small amount of chicken. Yes. Hawker food in Singapore are properly licensed by government authority. The people have to apply for a hygienic license to sell. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure that it's fine. I really doubt that people really get sick from this. Or they would not be in business, so. And that's where you are wrong. Well, I've never been sick from eating street food. Maybe y'all just have weak stomachs. Just get better immunity. You got worms though. Not in my stomach. That looks good. I used to eat dirt for breakfast. That's so awesome. Oh, this was my favorite thing to get when I would get street food in Singapore or in Malaysia. It's fried noodles. Fried worms? What? I mean, yeah. When's the last time I was in Malaysia? I feel like it's literally been since I was like 19 or something. It's been a while. So that was like 30 years ago. Yep. No, not 20, 30 years ago. Have you heard of that bone marrow diet med student on TikTok? No, but that sounds not good. So you're 50 doing math? Approximately, yeah. She's pushing 468. Yes. Yes. The color of this looks a little bit off, but maybe it's just the spices? I don't know. Ugh. The bone marrow. Dang, you slurped that shit out. It's all gone. Chat rules are don't be creepy, and then What about this is creepy? Who in chat's being creepy? Oh, never mind. He's talking about you? Wait, am I creepy? What did I do that was creepy? I don't like how the shrimp's fried on the outside of it. Exist? Okay. Okay. Rust really is a great game. I know, bro. Honestly, I basically missed the whole event, but I know people still want the drops, so I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna be here doing what I do, you know? Did you used to be a man? The answer is whatever upsets you more. Nice cock, bro. Thank you. I mean, I would. That looks good. I can't tell what the brown stuff on the left is though. Just more meat, I guess. That's the liver? Ugh. I'm sure it's delicious. I just can't imagine eating it. I don't know. I don't know. Why are their hands so shaky? He's just a very nervous man, I guess. I don't know. How much will you stream for? I'm planning to go for another couple hours because I still want to play games too. But are there people here who are actually, like, still need a lot of time for the drop? Because I think I may be the last person, unless, like, Miz streams in the Rust category tomorrow for whatever he's doing. I need 8 hours, bro. It's a 2-hour drop. It's a woman? Wait, so Dancing Bacons is a woman? Because there was a point where it was a guy's hands, but maybe it's her partner or something? I don't know. Yes? Oh, wife and husband. So it is a man and a woman. Did you not read what I said earlier about the drops? No. What did you say? All the drops are combined now, so people will get them from watching any channel. What? People will get them from watching any channel. What? I don't get it. It's not exclusive anymore? Well, it's fine. I guess that's better then. That means I don't have to feel bad if I don't stream for 10 hours today. Doesn't work for me. Well, my chat still says mine's for the AR, the bunny girl one. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that's true because my drop inventory says it's for the bunny girl one. I don't know. They reverted it? Oh, okay. That makes more sense. Or maybe it's like if you already have the drop in a channel, it'll add the XQC one or something. I guess. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know.